Hello student, today we'll discuss on topic of high frequency transformer design. Steps only. See the near about 12 steps. So first step is the core choice. So ferrite core are the best choice for high frequency applications. For operating below 500 kHz, most designer will use a core material with a permeability. Permeability varies significantly with the temperature rise and operating flux density. It will affect core losses, and this must be taken into account to ensure reliable operation. Core size: the core area product obtained by multiplying the core cross section area by window area available for winding is widely used for an initial estimation of core size for a given application. Next step is volt time product value. Determine the VT value based upon the maximum allowable duty cycle and the frequency. Step 3, primary turns. So determine the minimum number of primary turns required to support the worst case VT value. Step 4, turn ratio. Calculate the secondary or primary turns ratio using standard equation. Secondary turns. Choose the exact primary and secondary turns counts to be used based upon the NP and NS or NP. Turns and P for primary, S for secondary. Primary inductance. Calculate the required primary inductance using standard equation. Air gap. The smallest size and lowest cost transformer is achieved by fully utilizing the core. In a specific application, optimum core utilization is associated with a specific optimum core gap length. Wire size. Once all the winding turns are determined, the wire size should be properly chosen to minimize the winding conduction loss and leakage inductance. Fill factor. The fill factor means the winding area to the whole winding area of the core. Core loss. In a transformer, core loss is a function of the voltage applied across the primary winding. Copper loss. In a transformer, copper loss is a function of a AC and DC resistors. Temperature rise. Step number 12. Temperature rise is an important for overall circuit reliability. So in this way, high frequency transformer will be designed. In that case, this all 12 steps consider at the time of design. Thank you.